Right, welcome to this video, guys. This was Shrewsbury Prison in June. Apart from a bit of a Karen non-event. If you find I'm giving away key rings now, I'll send them out free of charge. Reached 100 subscribers. I will. If you can find me on Facebook as Edward Weeks, then send me a message and you'll get a keyring in the post. Enjoy the video. Right guys, so we are at Shrewsbury Prison, but I want to get into an ideal spot really to see the front of the pen. Let's go. A bit of gimbal work will be needed and a bit of backward work will be needed, which is... There's
a ribbon over here.
Yeah. Bit of backward work. That is the gatehouse, guys, to the Dana. We are going to go up higher now. See, mine's going up high. We were... Oh shit.
What, not at all?
No, not at all.
She's saying take him down. This end.
Yeah, I'm listening.
Fine, I'll take it down.
Yeah, you can let them know.
Where's your flight?
I don't know, mate.
Where are you?
I'm just getting my video. I'm not being disturbed. Do you know what I mean? Not be. Here's the Dana. Didn't pay for a sponge mattress to get be told what to do. You know what I mean? It's, they shouldn't talk to you while you're on your drone now, but yeah. Because disturbing a pilot in flight, so we're right over the gatehouse, but we'll bring it down a bit because it's not. Mind you, we're only on a zoom, short gimbal. Phone the police. Phone the police. I mean, huh? Yeah. Oh well. Can you stop interfering with my flight, please? We were in that second from No, we weren't. Yeah, I'm hearing you and I'm answering you politely twice. Can you stop disturbing me during flight? That's an offence on its own.
Have you asked permission to bring it over?
I haven't, and I don't have to. It's unrestricted airspace.
Right, okay.
Yes, okay. Well, you phone the police. You get them here quick on a 999 if you want. Waste their time. That's C-Wing. We're parked over there. I mean... We get spoken to like that after being given a sponge mattress, you know. It's yeah, it's quite amusing really, isn't it? Yeah, this we're in fucking She-Wing, we are. Yeah, mate, I'm coming right back now. I'm coming home. I'm coming home.
Right over.
Yeah, coming home. You see me there? Yeah. So, just bring it in a bit, swing it round a bit, and I'll land it at my own pace, not when some old fucking bat, you know what I mean, wants to tell me to. And disturb my flight. Oh. If anything, it makes me want to keep it up even longer. I think, yeah, I'm just going to keep it up there recording Sodom. It's
restricted then, yeah.
It's not restricted at all, mate. There's no look on drone assist.
They couldn't do nothing with that guy either, could they?
No.
The guy when he done it.
No.
I didn't realise that was here, you know.
Yeah.
He said, do you mind? I'm just bringing on. I think it was her.
Yeah, well, it wasn't her. It's some PCSO, wasn't it? It was some. No, I don't think they did. I think he told her what the rules were, and she sort of politely went away. But if the police want to come, they want to come. Right? Let them. If they want to waste police time, it's up to them. Yeah. That's £71 a night buys you a sponge.
That girl must have gone in there and told her.
Probably. If £71 a night buys you a sponge bed and
She's a bitch, though.
yeah.
How much was it? 70, wasn't it?
Yeah, well, I think it's 69. Well, I'll have a look at the receipt, you know what I mean? Right, we'll put that on TripAdvisor. I think they own the airspace above the prison too. There you go, look, I can come down. I've got the gimbal at the wrong angle to come down. Just bring it to the centre and bring it down, and on the full drone zoom. There is your gatehouse, my friend. No missing that. I missed all that last time. I mean, got it up. I think because that bitch was waffling to us, I missed our Peter.
Still there?
I don't know. Let me on the phone to the dibble. We were in the second cell in. I'll do a little circle. I'll screenshot it.
Still up there, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Second cell in.
Yeah.
Know where you are, yeah?
Yeah, mate. Yeah.
So you can control it better than me. I don't even know if I was in that play. Where are you there? This is all of it.
There's all of it, yeah. Like, was in that second cell in, weren't we, there at the top?
Oh, okay, yeah, I did
On
get
the
that.
floors.
So that's just behind here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is it here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just here, Edward?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, I think it was actually behind it.
Yeah. No, no, we weren't behind that yard, we weren't backing onto that yard, were we?
Get on the yacht X C, try and get on C Wing, it's out that way more, isn't it? Over there.
I don't know where C Wing was, to be honest.
Sorry, not C Wing, A Wing.
A Wing, yeah, but that is A Wing, that whole block that we were on, wasn't it? Yeah, so I'm still quite high at. Wish this would just disappear because it'd tell me how fucking high I was then. Rather than sight. I have to sight it. It's here, but we'll bring it back to us. I'm happy with that. Just like hang it around in the air for a little while. Just that train's still there. The DVT is still there as well. That 67 and DVT that I went to take a photo of is still sitting there. Interestingly enough, but I don't really want to see it, so.
Where's that? I see you now. Up here.
I'm up there, yeah.
What, over here?
Yeah. But I'm coming back, you know what I mean? I will swing it round so I can control it properly and then bring it back to us. Swinging it round a bit. You see, I don't want to do that. I just want to bring it down. I don't want to swing it towards there. I want to bring it towards here a bit, and then just swing it, and then bring it.
And oh dear. Oh, some silly people both weekends. I've been out. Spoil it for the minority. They'll get a 1 star on TripAdvisor now. I was going to forgive them for that sponge mattress, but landing. We'll just hang around for a little while, shall we? Don't want to hang around. We don't want to waste police time, you see, if she's phoned the police. Oh, don't want to waste West Mercia police's time. Ah? Stupid woman. Oh, sorry, mate. It is, isn't it? Look at that. End the video for now.